In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to n8n seamlessly. This will allow you to automate your workflows by integrating Google Drive into your n8n projects. To get started, you'll need to set up OAuth credentials in the Google Cloud Console. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through every step. We're going to start by heading over to the Google Cloud Console. Once there, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. If you're a new user, you might need to create an account. Once logged in, the first thing you need to do is create a new project, or if you prefer, select an existing one that you'd like to use for this integration. Now, with our project ready, let's enable the Google Drive API. Within the Google Cloud Console, navigate to the APIs and Services and click on Library. This is where you can manage the APIs related to your project. In the search bar, type Google Drive API and simply click the Enable button. This step is crucial as it allows the n8n workflow to access your Google Drive files. Next, we need to configure the OAuth consent screen. In the APIs and Services section, you'll find the OAuth consent screen tab. Once there, click Get Started. You'll need to name your application. Something memorable like n8n automation works well. Provide your email and select External as the user type. This option is ideal as it allows any user with a Google account to access the application you're creating. Don't forget to add n8n.cloud as an authorized domain in the branding settings. Lastly, include your email in the Test Users section for testing purposes. Now, we'll proceed to create an OAuth client. Staying in your project, go to Credentials and select Create Credentials. From the list, choose Web Application as the application type and assign a name like n8n Client. A key detail here is to copy the authorized redirect URI from your n8n Google Drive credential setup and paste it into its corresponding field in Google Cloud. Once that's set, click Create to generate your client ID and client secret. Keep these details handy as we'll need them shortly. Finally, it's time to complete the connection in n8n. Go to your n8n workflow and click on the Google Drive node you're looking to connect. In the Credentials field, select Create New to initiate a new Google Drive OAuth 2 credential. Open the credential setup window and paste the client ID and client secret you previously generated into their respective fields. To finish, click Sign in with Google, select the Google account you wish to use and grant any necessary permissions. And that's it. You have successfully connected your Google Drive to n8n. This allows for enhanced automation and smooth integration between your Google Drive and n8n workflows, opening up endless possibilities for productivity and efficiency.